guys, it's Madison with Old 98 Destin. I'm here today in Miramar Beach and it is super rainy. It's very rainy. We're in the middle of a storm here. It's not lightning or thundering or anything, so don't worry about like my safety, but I did want to show you guys the beach even though it's raining, because I know some people really love to see the ocean when there's a storm. But I also wanted to tell you guys that there is a red flag or double red flag out this afternoon, and that's really important for you guys to know, especially if you're visiting Destin right now or are visiting Destin in the future, because a double red flag means that the beach is closed, or like the water is closed to the public. There's dangerous rip currents, and I don't want any of you guys going in when it's when the surf conditions are like this, because it can be very deadly. So that's just something to keep in mind. Please don't go in the water when there's a double red flag. It's very dangerous. But without further ado, I'll show you guys the beach. We might not go that close to the water today just because it's very rainy. So if you have any questions about visiting Destin, just feel free to drop a question down below and I'll do my best to answer it. I'm sorry if you can't hear me over my umbrella. The rain is coming down really hard right now. I'm already soaking wet. I feel like I just came out of the shower, so giving you guys a real description of what it's like right now. When is the rain gonna end? I think that it's not supposed to rain starting Wednesday, so hopefully it'll be sunny by then. It was sunny for a little bit this afternoon. Not really sunny, but it was like partly cloudy and the sun came out for a little while this afternoon. Has it rained hard all day? No, there was a little break this afternoon. This morning it wasn't raining. It started raining probably about an hour or two ago. But the parking lot of Pompano is packed, so that means, yeah, it's a great tiki bar day. I'm sure they're getting a lot of business. The rain won't hurt you, however, the dangerous riptides will, so that's why I wanted to tell you guys about the double red flag today, in case any of you are in town. I really want to urge you guys not to go in the water. It's very dangerous. There's someone out in the water over there, but that's really unsafe. Temperature right now is about 75 degrees. Do I know next weekend's forecast? I don't see out that far on my Fitbit right now, and I can't close out the video to check on my weather app, but I think the rain is supposed to stop on Wednesday, so hopefully that doesn't change. Yeah, surely it won't rain non-stop till Wednesday. There will be breaks probably. Like this afternoon it was sunny for a little while, so it's kind of just come and go, I think, until Wednesday. Is the Gulf water warm this time of year? Yeah, it's actually like low to mid 80s at the moment, so it feels really nice. It feels like a well-heated swimming pool. Can lightning travel up sand? I honestly have no idea, but I know that lightning travels through water, so if the sand is wet, I'm sure that gives it an extra conduction property, but I don't really know. I don't want to be on the beach right now because I don't feel like it's safe, so that's why I'm just walking on the sidewalk. How is traffic and construction coming on 98? You know, I like to keep it positive on here, so we won't touch on that, but no, I'm kidding. The traffic is getting pretty rough again now that it's peak tourist season has started. There was a power out, line down in the middle of 98 yesterday morning, so you know, like the usual, but they're making 98 wider, so I have hope that it will get better as time passes, and hopefully they'll finish construction soon. Where am I? I'm over by Pompano Joe's in Miramar Beach. Alright guys, so I just heard some thunder, so I'm going to sign off now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this rainy beach video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Maybe I'll do some more when it rains. But I hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend, even if you're visiting Destin right now and it's raining. There's usually breaks in the rain, so it might be sunny later, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. However, I really urge you guys not to go in the water if there's a double red flag. It's very unsafe, so just please be cautious of that and stay safe this weekend. Bye guys!